Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today, I will introduce you to BAIHUI, a powerful point on top of your head. BAIHUI is the highest point in the body to the sun, to the source. It is significant in traditional Chinese medicine. A master point on the governing channel of the body where all the channels and meridians and energy meet. That is why it is called a BAIHUI. In English, it means 100 conversions. BAIHUI regulates circulation. It improves memory by increasing blood flow to the brain. It heals trauma, mental health disorders, and traditionally, it has been used for epileptic seizures, splitting headaches, or heat stroke. Gently massage the BAIHUI point or apply acupressure over the point will help to open sinuses. It also reduces eye pain and redness. It treats hypertension from excess yang in the upper body. This is how you find it. Place the tip of your thumbs on the top of your ears. The index finger meet at approximate location of the point. You will find a slight indentation there. This is the point where the cranial bones join. When you were born, these bones were open, and that is why there was a hollow, often called soft spot. There are a few ways to work on the BAIHUI point. Hold the center of your palm over BAIHUI. Feel the connection of your heart to your head, and close your eyes. Gentle and deep breathing. The LAOGONG point that's in the palm. In English, LAOGONG translates the palace of toil. It is a heart master point located in the center of the palm. The BAIHUI point is a very important point for fine-tuning the energy of the body. It is a two-way switch. It rises or descends the energy depending on the needs of the body. So it is useful for when you are feeling low energy, feeling imbalance. And hold your palms over your head after lovemaking to transmit the release of sexual energy and to balance the body. You can also use 3 fingers to massage this point in a circular motion. Massage it when you feel dizzy or experiencing tinnitus or vortex pain. Another way is to use 5 fingers to tap this point for about 2 minutes. One in combination with other points. BAIHUI helps to balance the endocrine systems, the pineal and the pituitary glands, and for boosting morale. It is a main point for treating prolapse of the organs and a main point for treating hemorrhoids. Pay attention to how your body feels as you massage the point. If you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this one, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this self-care tip with a friend or a family member. Sharing is caring. I will see you next time.